Hello everyone, welcome to SR Biology World. If you are not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and share the video. It helps the science students a lot. Okay, let us come to the content of this video. This video is about important diagrams of second PUC biology subject. These diagrams are very important according to the reduced syllabus of 2020-21. Let us move on to the diagrams one by one. This is the first diagram, that is longitudinal section of a flower. This carries a 2 to 4 marks. Just draw it neatly and mention the parts. Next, second one, TS of young anther. This is a transfer section of young anther, and this is another important diagram that is from the second chapter. Third one, anatropous ovule. This is a third important diagram you have to practice for the annual exam. Next, dicot embryo and monocot embryo. This is the simple diagrams which is very useful and you can practice easily, and you label the diagrams, label the parts clearly with neat diagram. Next chapter, human reproduction. This chapter is very useful and this carries a I marks, and this is the male reproductive system diagram. It is very important diagram from the third chapter. Second important diagram from the human reproduction is female reproductive system. This diagram is very important in this chapter. And third one, mammary gland. As I already told that human reproduction chapter consists more marks, so it consists of more diagrams also, and this is the third diagram from that chapter. It is a mammary gland diagram, one of the important diagram you should practice for your annual exams. This is the sperm diagram. It is very easy to draw. It was carrying a 5 marks. Label it and draw it neatly. This is the sperm diagram. Here is the another important diagram, TS of ovary, transfer section of ovary. This is the nucleosome diagram, one of the important diagram, an easy one. This diagram is the replication of retrovirus. Easy diagram, mention with the parts. This is the plasmid PBR 322. You have to memorize the parts, that's it. There is no difficult diagram is this PBR 322. Just remember the parts. This is the stirred tank bioreactor. It is also one of the important diagram you should practice for the annual exams. These diagrams are according to the model question papers I have collected, and this video is very useful for the second PUC upcoming annual exams. Thank you.